Welcome to this quick guide on the classic FizzBuzz problem in Python. It's a simple coding exercise that tests basic loops and conditionals. The challenge: print numbers from 1 to 100, but replace multiples of 3 with fizz, multiples of 5 with buzz, and multiples of both with FizzBuzz. To start, we'll use a for loop to iterate through the numbers. In Python, that's straightforward. For I in range 1, 101, followed by our print statement. This sets up the backbone, looping from 1 to 100 inclusive. Next, inside the loop, we add conditional logic using if-elif-else. The key is the modulo operator, %, which checks divisibility. If I% 3 equals 0, it's a multiple of 3. We'll prioritize the combined case first. If I% 15 equals 0, print FizzBuzz, since 15 is the least common multiple of 3 and 5. Then, if I% 3 equals 0, print Fizz. Follow with if I% 5 equals 0 for buzz. Finally, in the else, just print I. This order ensures no overlaps. Here's the full code on screen. For I in range 1, 101, if I% 15 equals 0, print FizzBuzz. If I% 3 equals 0, print Fizz. If I% 5 equals 0, print buzz. Else, print I. Running it outputs 1, 2, fizz for 3, 4, buzz for 5, and FizzBuzz for 15. Testing your logic perfectly.